I'm sorry Leute, ich bin gerade gestört worden und habe probiert, die Sequenz nicht unterbrechen und gleichzeitig sagen, dass ich nicht gestört werden darf und den Hund noch rausjagen. Ich lade jetzt einfach mal neu. Von da. Perfekt.
Man.
Hey, hoi.
Hi there.
Ja. Also, sind wir wieder im Game? Did you kill it? Egal,
Did you kill it?
I don't think so. Ich weiß nicht, ich denke
I
es.
don't know. I think so.
Sometimes they come back.
Was?
Have you killed one?
No, but they get shot a lot.
You've been all by yourself through this?
Yeah, I want my parents to come home now.
I think that might be a little while, you know?
Oh,
Look, I don't know what happened, but I'll look after you until then.
what should we do now?
Ja, look for help before it gets dark, würde
We
ich
need
sagen.
to find help before it gets dark.
Yeah, it's not safe at night.
You choose the safety of daylight. Seht ihr, das sind alles
Let's go.
Sachen, die jetzt gemerkt
Stay
werden
close
und
to
je
me.
nachdem wird das Spiel anders. Ich bin sehr, sehr interessiert, wie das dann wird. Jetzt probiere ich es als total Liebe durchzuspielen und ich kann es dann mal als ultra böse spielen. Alright, das Walkie-Talkie haben wir mal. Sie ist zum Glück ein bisschen schneller, ohne Beinverletzung. Clementine, where are we going? What do you think? What's that? Open the gate. Ja, kann mal das Gate öffnen. Oh, 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 oh.
Oh, man.
Ah, gut, die leben
I
noch.
ain't never getting home to Mama at this rate. This sucks. Oh, it's hot dish night.
Kann man denen nicht schon etwas zurufen? Nein, nein, nicht. Bleib du mal da hinten, Clementine.
What's the matter?
Should I stay?
What?
I don't want to sleep in the treehouse tonight, but I don't know if I should leave. What if my parents come home?
Aha. Ich würde dich
I
nicht
won't
allein
leave you
lassen.
alone.
Komm mit
Well,
mir.
let's go somewhere safe that's close, okay?
That's
Alright.
a good idea.
Also ich probiere möglichst lieb zu ihr sein.
Hey, man!
Holy shit!
Don't eat us! We're not gonna hurt you.
Phew. Thought for a second you and the little one were both gonna give us the chomp.
Was macht ihr? Oder wir
We
suchen
need
Hilfe.
help.
Are you trying to get out of here? Because you should be. Those things are all over the damn place. I haven't seen anything as gnarly as this neighborhood since downtown Atlanta, 15 miles back. I'm Sean. Sean Greene.
Lee, this is Clementine.
I'm Chet.
We shouldn't be out in the open like this. How about you help us clear the way, and we'll take you and your daughter out of here and down to my family's farm. It should be safer there.
I'm not her dad.
I'm
A
a
neighbor.
neighbor. Ja,
Her
Nachbar.
parents are out of town.
Let's get going. Staying put for too long is a mistake.
Okay, also ich muss mir merken, ich
What
bin
do
ein
you wanna do?
Nachbar.
Them monsters coming.
Oh, 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 oh. We gotta go. Schnell, schnell. Push, push, push.
Let's go.
Jetzt muss ich Kuh echt. Los, genau. Ja, und der Chat. Come on, come on. What should we do? Again, again, again. Yes, yes, yes. Oh shit, that's it. Fast! What's going on? What's going on? Get in, get in, get in, get in. Nein, was ist? Pickup.
Were any of those guys neighbors too?
Shit, I guess so. Dead Island with the pickups. And your change. Alright. Ja, also ich denke, auf der Farm hat es relativ wenig Leute rundherum, die hätten können infiziert werden, oder? Dort hat es schon mal Licht, also... Ich hoffe, sie haben auch
Hey, Sean,
medizinische...
I'm gonna run on home. My mama's gonna be in a snit.
No sweat, man. I'll catch you tomorrow night.
It was nice to meet you both.
Okay, bis dann. Who's there?
Thank God you're okay.
Ah, his dad,
I
huh?
was worried it'd be bad here, too.
Been quiet as usual the past couple days. Old Brecken down the way thinks his mare's gone lame, but that ain't nothing new.
I wouldn't have made it back without Chet.
Well, I'm glad you took him with you then. You've brought a couple guests.
Uh-huh.
We
Maybe we'll
just
have
need a
help.
little help. We won't stay long.
Good. You're welcome to stay here, but just for the night. I don't run a bed and breakfast. So it's just you and your daughter then.
Oh, not his daughter. He was her neighbor.
Honey, do you know this man?
Oh, oh.
Yes.
Gelukkig gehabt.
Okay then. Well, looks like you hurt your leg pretty bad there.
Zum Glück hat sie für uns gelogen. Wenn sie gesagt hätte, nein, wären wir wahrscheinlich
You're not
schon
doing so good.
I
garsch
can
gewesen.
help you out. Sean, run on in and check on your sister. You, take a seat up on the porch and I'll go see what I have.
Ah, nice, danke. Hä? Was für
Let's have a
Gesicht?
look. Yeah, this is swollen to hell.
Uh-huh. It hurts like hell.
It hurts like hell.
I bet it does. What did you say your name was?
It's Lee.
It's Lee.
Nice to meet you, Lee. I'm Herschel Greene.
Okay.
How'd this
Ja, ohne
happen?
Waschen. Car accident.
Car accident.
That's so. Where are you headed before the car accident?
Out of Atlanta?
I was getting out of Atlanta.
The news says stay.
Yeah, well, that's a mistake. We hit a guy. One of those things you've been hearing about. On the road.
Who are you with? The girl?
A police
I was
officer?
with a police officer. He was giving me a ride.
Awful nice of him.
I'm an awful nice guy.
Oh, gelukkig.
Pull up with mine. We got another displaced family of 3 sleeping in the barn. You and your daughter are welcome to rest there when we're done here.
Alright.
I didn't catch your name, darling.
Clementine.
Can't imagine what you've been through, Clementine.
I'm looking after her until we find her parents.
Hey, Dad. So I'm thinking, first thing tomorrow, we gotta reinforce the fence around the farm.
That doesn't seem necessary.
I don't know what you saw on TV or heard on the radio, but there's some serious shit hitting the fan. I don't think anyone knows how big it is yet.
Ja, ich finde, er
Your
hat recht.
son's right. You're gonna want to fortify this place.
Stuff like that doesn't happen around here, Sean.
Dad, I'm serious. Lee, come on. Tell him what you saw out there, man.
That cop
I saw
crawling
a
on the
cop
ground.
come back from the dead.
Well, do what you think you should. We got plenty of chores as it is.
Er glaubt sie
Lee
mir
and
noch.
those folks in the barn can help out in the morning. We gotta do it. Really.
I already said okay.
Gut.
Well, I'm all done here. It should start to feel better tomorrow.
Thanks.
If your leg gets hot or the swelling doesn't go down, you're probably dealing with an infection.
Aha,
do we
Infektion
do
und
then?
so, das ist übel.
We'll probably just have to shoot you.
Oh,
We'll clean it, redress it, and you'll be fine.
Okay, that'd be preferable.
There's blankets and
That's
such in
a
the
good one,
barn.
it's gemacht.
We'll be seeing you bright and early. Come tomorrow, which way you think you're headed?
Towards Macon, I suppose.
okay. Richtig Macon.
All right, then.
Let's go for a sleep.
It smells like...
Manure. Shit.
Shit. I'm sorry.
That was a swear.
Yep.
I missed my mom and dad.
Oh,
I bet,
Clementine.
Clem.
How far is Savannah?
Pretty far.
Oh, okay.
Oh, damn, huh? Ich glaube nicht, dass wir ihre Eltern noch mal sehen.
I love you, baby.
Holy? What was that? Seine Frau wahrscheinlich, huh?
Hey, get up.
Hey, who are you?
I'm itchy.
Well, you slept in a barn, little lady. Lucky you don't have spiders in your hair. But I bet your daddy scared them all away, huh?
I'm, not her dad. Name's Lee.
I'm Kenny.
Dad, we're in the middle of a fence. There's a tractor and everything.
We better get going, or we won't hear the end of it. That's my boy, Ken Jr. We call him Duck, though.
Duck?
Doc?
Yeah, nothing bothers him. Like water off a duck's back, you know?
That's a
Alright.
valuable trait lately.
No kidding. But frankly, I think it's because he's dumb as a bag of hammers. But he makes up for it with enthusiasm. The
Er ist
word
dumm
is
wie ein
you
Sack
were on
voll
your way to
Hammer oder
Macon.
so.
My family's from there.
Well, Macon's on the way, and personally, I'd appreciate the company of a guy who can knock a couple of heads together if he has to.
Sure, gehen wir miteinander, oder?
Sure, we'll tag along.
It's a plan.
Oh,
then.
shit, ich hätte
Honey,
das Mädchen
Duck, this is
fragen.
Lee. And, what's the girl's name?
Clementine.
Clementine.
That is a very pretty name.
Thanks.
Well, we should get to work. We've all seen what those things can do out there, so the faster we get this fence up, the better.
I want to build a fence.
Yeah? Well, I need a good foreman. You can sit on the tractor and yell at me whenever I take a water break.
On a tractor? Cool!
Duck and I will hop to it.
Voll
I
begeistert
can
hat er
keep an eye
ausgesehen.
on your little girl here on the porch. We can visit.
Okay, in dem Fall gehen wir helfen, den Hag aufbauen, würde ich sagen. Oder? Bei euch ist alles okay?
Hey there, girls.
Ich sehe
You
relaxed
two
aus.
actually look relaxed.
I think we're doing just fine. Clementine was just telling me about first grade.
So schnell.
Oh, how was that?
It's easy.
Well, yeah. So, you're good?
Anyway, it's almost like we didn't see people eating each other for the past 3 days. It's peaceful here. Huh?
Aha,
So,
okay.
what do you do when corpses aren't walking
Ja, ist
around?
wichtig, dass man die Leute kennt.
I'm a veterinarian back in Fort Lauderdale. Like Herschel here, except more with dogs and cats and not horses. What is it that you do, Lee?
I used to teach up at the University of Georgia.
Ah, ich bin ein
We
Lehrer.
need to hope that we can go back to our jobs soon, Lee. Back to normal. It can't stay like this.
Ja, was willst du machen?
No, I used to. I was let go a little while back.
Well, that's too bad. Well, I hear people always clamor back to college after a big disaster. People don't want to die ignorant, I guess.
Wie ist die Stadt gewesen?
How did you handle getting through the city?
Kenny just drove. We passed so many people that needed help, and we just passed people. Over some, just...
It's okay. It's fine. You don't have to say anymore.
I want to go home tomorrow. But even then, I can't take away the things Doc went through. Don't you want to go back to the moment before you knew about all of this?
Oh, hell yeah.
Anybody in their right mind would. Families and barbecues and beers with good friends.
All of those things.
Those are the things we live for, right? With those gone, what's the point? Back in a bit.
Okay, Lee.
Alright, haben wir da ein bisschen die Frau kennengelernt. Das ist, glaube ich, anscheinend wichtig, dass man die Leute um sich herum kennenlernt. Hey, dir würde gerne auch noch reden.
Hey there, Kenny.
Brauchst du Hilfe?
Need any help?
No, I think I got it. Do you need any help?
What do you mean?
I mean, in taking care of that little girl. You know what you're doing? You got kids of your own?
I'm
I
okay.
think I've got it handled okay. Long as I keep her safe, I think I'm doing all right.
With those things out there, maybe. Sure, that's enough. But you gotta ask yourself if you're the type of guy who can do better than that
Hey,
if the
hey,
parents
hey,
don't
hey,
show
hey,
up.
ich bin Kleinkindererzieher.
I'll
Chill's
keep
mal
that
eins.
in mind.
Wie geht's dem
How's
Sohn?
your son doing?
Good, I think. Katya's got a sister up in Memphis. We were coming back from visiting her. We were in a gas station and some guy grabbed my boy.
Oh,
I thought he was kidnapping him. I was on the fucker in about 2 seconds and... Christ. Just lucky I was there. We saw a lot of bodies before we stumbled upon Herschel's. But we're a tough family, Lee. Ain't nothing gonna faze us.
okay. Was ist dein Plan?
So what's your family's plan?
Get back on down to Lauderdale and let this mess get sorted out. Government will start handing out shots and the National Guard will do its thing. On the odd chance things got too bad, we could hop on my boat, I guess.
You've
Das
got a boat.
Boot.
I'm a commercial fisherman, catching mackerel, dolphin, whatever's biting and paying. Katya wouldn't be wild about it, but the boat's not that bad.
See ya.
Alright, also es ist schon mal hilfreich zum Wissen. Seht ihr oben links? Jetzt wissen wir schon mal zum Beispiel für eine Fluchtmöglichkeit. Ich weiss nicht, ob Zombies da schwimmen können in dem.